understand, but remember say them never get to finish, you know.
Them not finish, them just say them are going to use the grade 5 results.
Yeah, that
from the mock. Remember say them did do mock prep? Alright guys, good morning. So, today is an interesting day. I'm vlogging with Mia today. And as you can see, she have on her uniform. So, what do you want?
Give me that one, Mr.
What?
Mask.
Give him. Right, so
Lisa, you tell me if you say you can't. Oh, what the fuck, sir? You can't make no right turn this. You never know.
No, I'm tired being a car now and I don't know how to drive though. Seriously, you know something not really come out that side anymore? I always go down.
Jesus God, what can I go now?
You have to go turn around back.
I come more lines with that come back.
Seriously?
Yeah, what am I going to do?
You can't turn against her?
No. I'm going to go. Oh, alright. Go.
Bad way for start bubbling. Anyway, good morning guys. Do you like my mask? I don't know if y'all want your mask, hit me up. I got the link. I can hook you guys up. If you don't want it in a bulk, if y'all want single mask, just hit me up. I can definitely link you guys up because we're making masks over here, making ourselves productive. You put your mask there. Mia has hers on. Oh yeah. So as I was saying, today is Mia's graduation picture day, and actually it's the first she's going to school in about 2 months. About 2 months since the whole pandemic has been going on. It's the first she's going to school in I think about 2.5 months. So we're going today for her to take the graduation pictures, because if you guys don't know, this is Mia's last year in prep school and she should have been graduating, but unfortunately, as y'all know, all the things that has been happening with the pandemic, they're not gonna be getting a graduation. I think they're gonna be doing some virtual graduation or something like that, which I totally do not approve of, and it really saddens me because I stay dreaming about my daughter's first graduation from prep school to high school, and that's not gonna happen. I feel it AC? Okay.
What school you want, Mia?
Immaculate.
I see everybody. All the boys don't want to go Immaculate.
No, or St. Andrews for girls. Yeah, Mia's choice is Immaculate or St. Andrews for girls. That's her first 2 choices. She wanted to go to Campion. Arden? Yeah, Arden not bad.
And you know, Arden is the only school when it's surrounded by no ghetto, you know.
And I think the thing I like about Arden is that it's a girl and boy school, and them academic, them not only good with the bookwork, but them try to make the children them like well-rounded, them sports-wise, book-wise. So, and the fact that it's a girl and boy school is a plus for me. Yeah, so as I said, I'm not really so happy about the virtual graduation thing, and I could have shed a tear because we worked hard the entire last year, and after all of the struggles and everything we will go through, you know what I mean, it really was something that I was looking for, to go to the graduation, you know, her family members and everything, because everybody is so proud of Mia. Mia has done great for the entire year, and as I was saying, I'm very, very sad that we're not gonna actually get a physical graduation because of the pandemic and everything. However, we're going to do the graduation pictures, still practicing social distancing, and it's really bad. Mia attends a prep school, and it's a limited amount of students that goes to this school, and the one day that they have to go back to school and see each other, we have to do it in groups, and so therefore there is going to be a limited amount of persons at a time. So she's not really going to see all her friends to say goodbye. She's not really going to get a goodbye celebration with her friends and teachers and everybody. So it's really sad. It's really sad. So I'm going to link now when we reach at the school. I might show you guys a little bit of what's happening. Until I don't know. Is that jet? It always leave off a smoke that you see when it's in the. You know how long I'm gonna see one of them there? I'm not playing now fly. Seriously. Yeah, so I'm gonna link to you guys, but when I see Wayne, long time when I see Wayne, say hi. Long time when I see Wayne, though. Yeah, so I'm gonna link you guys later when I get to the school. Show you the fence there. Hi guys! Oh, that's what I'm You know how much excitement is happening? Alright, next. So at the school now, guys, and we're actually inside taking the pictures, but that's what's going on.
Those who don't take single picture, bye Sarah. Love y'all, that was a beautiful picture. You two know coming next.
So go under the tent,
Why would that come on that cool? Bye, Sarah. What's your phone number? Sure. Mommy, can I take Sarah's phone number, please?
I'm not bugging, I'm just thinking.
I'm gonna miss you all and I love you. Goodbye. Love y'all. Love y'all. Good Mary, St. Andrew, the Immaculate. Love you all. For the girls, the Woodward, St. Andrew, the Immaculate, the Campion, the Andrews. Yeah. I'll see you all. Don't call me next week. I'll call you. Don't call me next week Friday. I'll call you. I'll call you.
Come and show them your neck. Let's come on. They're giving you the massage anyway. Let's still put it in here. And look at what they're giving you. Crazy.
And you're going to take back.
They're not, because they didn't give it to you. But anyway, how you feel? Yeah, how you feel?
I feel good.
No graduation, but you're still having a good time. Your friends, them doing pictures. You're going over there? You're in my bag. I understand. Yes, I wonder. Where I'm going to take my group picture? Yeah. Come on, dude.
One step forward. Yes. But put it this way. No, over here. Yeah. But switch hands.
Mia Stanley.
Stay. I get in this man. This man. Alright. Relax. Just relax. Just relax. In. In.
We still have to stay, you know, to get my books.
Okay, you don't have to stay together.
Get my report.
You what?
My report.
I got to ask her for it. She said I should come back Friday. That's why I'm coming back Friday. Alright, so done with that. How do you feel? You feel alright?
I feel great. And also now I got to say
my
goodbye to
stroller.
my friends.
Call the police and the boy dies.
So I don't know if this is where I'm gonna close the vlog, but if it is, you know, it's gonna be popping. Or maybe I'll add something else to it, I don't know, but peace. Alright, big jump. About a couple days after from the graduation. And we're on a journey as usual, and we're heading to the studio. Here with Bling Bling and Ting Ting. And we're gonna do some finishing, add some finishing touches on the EP and stuff. I don't know the thing already. Yeah, so I'll link back with them later and all of that and all of this. We got our stuff coming on, yeah? Yeah.
右方向です。その先、左方向です。
Bad girl, bad girl, bad girl, bad girl, bad girl, bad girl. Yeah, got her son? Get me orange juice, yeah? And a hot water. I won't play this with him, yeah? I won't play my own shit. I want to play my own shit. I'm not interested in this. I'm interested in my own shit at this point in time, okay? I don't see what I can't see in this phone, yeah? I don't know. Let me see, where's the Telegram? Because, you know, I post to me stuff in Telegram all the time. What's a grown-ass man like you do with TikTok? Grown-ass niggas don't use TikTok, you know? I can't find the rhythm. I can't find the damn rhythm, yeah? I can't. I'm looking for the rhythm and I can't find it. Just use this one because I can't find it. Alicia, Amor, it's serious now, yeah. Hey, big up all the real friends, them. Let me see you put your lighter up in the ear. You ready for them? Cause if me never book me toe, then me wouldn't know my friend. No for them no real, no for them I just pretend. In a life you have to lace up your crap. No for them I talk, but them now make no step. And if me never book me toe, me woulda grow. Things when me know now, me woulda never know. Loyalty no real, you can't trust a soul. Look how them tough, look how them. In a life you have to fight all when their things are go wrong. Yeah. Say no for them now go cheer till them here say you reach number one. The same family you smile at the same one where drag you down. Yeah. The same friend where you trust are the same one where sell you out. Pull it up again. And if me never book me toe, then me wouldn't know my friend. No for them no real, no for them I just pretend. Said in a life you have to lace up your crep. No for them I talk, but them now make no step. And if me never book me toe, me woulda grow. Things where me know now, me woulda never know. And the fastest never somebody says somebody before. No, yes man, no, yes man. Love the rhythm, babe. Pull it up again, me say. Alicia, Amor, you're a bad girl for sure. just gone and leave me alone in the wilderness. Because I'm gonna have to come up to you because it seems I'm gonna be standing here for a little while. So you guys see. Up there? With the other one that we did before. So I have to give them both. So guys, we're still in Havantry walking around doing errands. As y'all know, I'm have to have on a mask because once you're in a business place, you don't know it already. You have to mask up to be safe and stuff. It's the weirdest thing to vlog on the road. People always looking at me like I'm doing something weird and unusual. Even my mother will fall and I laugh. It's so crazy. But yeah. Yeah, so anyway, I don't know what's the next move or whatever, but I'm gonna make an know. So soon checking it back. Alright guys, so we just leave the pharmacy and going further down the road. But you know it already in an apple tree. And I really have I'm not gonna really vlog much and stuff. I hate when I'm vlogging and people just look at me like I'm doing something weird. I mean vlogging is pretty normal in Jamaica, you know, so y'all get with it and stop looking for me like me I do something crazy. Alright? Anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys up when I get to the next part, okay? So I'm in the cloth store. I'm actually waiting on my mom because she decided that she wanted to get some materials to make masks and stuff. So I'm waiting on her. I never officially introduced my vlogs. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. It's a little exciting day for me as well because yesterday I found out the results for Mia and what high school she's going to. If you guys are not aware of what that is, usually every year the kids that are in the 6th grade don't mama frosted laces, lifting and whatever. Yeah, so she did her PEP or Caribbean exam, whatever you want to call it. The exam that will basically determine what high school she goes to, and she did exceptionally well. So today is just like the day after we found out the results. I never got to vlog that moment. I should have. It was very, very exciting. Mia did well. I'm very proud. I'm not gonna reveal what school she's going to as yet. I think I'll just reveal that September. Some people already know because of course my family's gonna know. I had to share that information with them, and a few of my friends know, but I mean they're respectful enough to not, you know, tell everybody and whatever. So yeah, she will be told. I wanted to come on the road today with her to just kind of get some stuff and just walk out and kind of just like celebrate because there's not much to do at this point. But her birthday is just like 2 weeks away from, I think 2.5 weeks away from now, from the time that you're seeing this vlog. So I think it will be something special for her because she did very good in her exams as well as she has her birthday in 2 weeks. So yeah, we're actually on the road now. That's her. She's kind of like very moody today. Me, I don't like walk. And we've been doing a lot of walking, so I think that is really her problem. Don't mind me in the mask, I have to wear it because apparently every business place we're going at requires us to be wearing a mask still. So I have to be, I'm sitting inside of the cloth store and I have to have my mask on. But while I wait on my mom, I'm just speaking to you guys and letting you guys know what's happening. Yeah, we kind of have on a little shirt and shorts and sneakers and stuff like that today. Maybe I'll show you guys a little bit more of what I'm wearing in a few. But today's Saturday and actually kind of look not so busy, but there's people still trying to make sales and people still walking around trying to get stuff. But it's not really busy time. I think this vlog is really going to be about Mia and her school leaving, you know what I mean? Because I showed you guys earlier when she was taking her graduation pictures, and I don't want a lot of you guys to get mistaken by what it was. It wasn't a graduation, it was really a graduation picture day. They have not yet had a graduation, and I don't think they're going to have one. They're going to be having a virtual graduation, I should say. So yeah, there won't be any graduation celebrations. We probably will have to do our own celebrations on that day. Anyways, I'm gonna catch up with you guys because a lot of people come in the store and it just gets very awkward when I'm vlogging. So I'll talk to you guys later.
And we not stop dancing on them road. How we a touch the street in a night, we feeling a vibes.